Ano ito? Pokemon ba?
Raise
This
your
is
own
Felicidad,
monster.
Ay,
a
hindi.
realm of monsters. Those who command and raise them are
Similar
called
lang.
Farmagia
Pokemon-like.
and play a
Pokemon-like.
vital role in the land's civilization.
Is this
10
an
of
ARPG
Farmagia must
or
rise up against the oppressive
a turn
Magus
based?
to stop his vicious reign
Please
of
let
the
it be turn based
underworld.
one.
Raise monsters and lead them into the fight against the
Ooh.
Magus' army.
Ano to?
Plant
Turn-based?
seeds
Oh gosh,
and
farming na
harvest them
naman
to
May
din
make
farming.
siya.
bodies come to life. They can then be trained for battle.
Sa Switch yung ganyang laro. May farming.
Oo nga eh. Sobrang
Give
dami na
commands
ngayon
to your
lumalabas na
monsters
farming.
and exploit enemy weaknesses in action-packed combat.
Oo.
Doon nakatuto.
Parang
Join
ano
the
nga yata
rebellion
eh,
to
walang
stop the
Nintendo
Magus
Direct na
in
ano, na hindi sila naglabas
Farmagia,
ng
launching on Nintendo
ng
Switch
farming game.
November
Oo.
1st.
Parang almost lahat din ng direct merong isang ipe-present na farming game.